This is Project Zero CS50 Web 2020. The first requirement is your website have at least 3 pages, one for Google search, one for Google image search, and one for Google advanced search. And on the Google search page there should be links on upper right of the page to go to the search or advanced search. On search of the other 2 pages there should be a link in the upper right to go back to the Google search. So check, I have this is Google search page, this is image search page, this is advanced search page. All these 3 pages are available, and each page has a link to go back on the right upper corner. Then query text. On the Google search page the user should be able to type in a query, click Google search, and taken to the Google search results from the page. Okay, here I write CS50. So these results are from Google's website. Go back. Like Google's own, your search bar should be centered with rounded corners, and the search button should also be centered and should be beneath the search bar. So this is rounded corners, and search buttons are also centered with rounded corners just like Google's own. And the query images on the Google image search page, user should be able to type in a query, click the search button, and be taken to the Google image search results for the page. I'm going to Google image search page. Here I'm going to CS50. These are the image results from the Google's own results. And Google Advanced, Query Advanced. On the Google Advanced search page, the user should be able to provide input for the following 4 fields taken from the Google's own advanced search. Which are the fields? All these words, this exact phrase or word, any of these words, none of these words. So I have all these 4 options, all of these, exact word, any of these, none of these words. And appearance, like Google's own advanced search page, the 4 options should be stacked vertically and all the text fields should be left aligned. Yes, all options are stacked vertically and all fields have left aligned. So consistent with Google's own CSS, the advanced search page should be blue with white text. When the advanced search button is clicked, the user should be taken to the search results page for their given query. Okay, test. Here I'm writing CS50 and this exact word Brian, and none of these words David. Advanced search. So these are the results having Brian minus David. Okay, go back. And lucky, I'm feeling lucky button to the main Google search page, consistent with Google's own behavior. Clicking on that should take user directly to the first Google search result of the query, bypassing the normal result page. Okay, the Google search page. Here I'm writing CS50. I'm feeling lucky. This is the first result link which I tried. Aesthetics, the CSS you write should match Google's own aesthetics as best as possible. So I have tried this on my best.